Hello everyone, I'm Satvika Durnala. The term project is a team of three, and here is our project name, Fire Detection Model. So here are some of the contents for the fire detection model. Importance of a fire detection system, project objectives, approach, deliverables, evaluation methodology, and conclusion. So most of us are familiar with the fire detection system and also heat detection systems alarm. So these devices are installed in our homes. Detecting a fire is typically accomplished by installing smoke or heat detectors. So the importance of a fire detection system is early fire detection is crucial and plays a very important role in protecting and saving lives. Having a fire detection system can significantly reduce damages and maximize fire control efforts. It is also one of the most fundamental steps you can take for the fire safety measures. Even if you are sleeping or busy working, early fire detection will warn you and help you respond quickly, and so you will be out of danger. So the system has following advantages. Some of them are saving lives, reduce loss of property, early action to prevent excess damage, and many more. So the next one will be explained by Sriraj Misala.
Hello everyone. So coming to the project objectives, the first objective is that the model is based on the XML dataset. This XML dataset is loaded with positive and negative values of fire. This is a trained model. This is called Cascade Classifier, which is a machine learning model. So in the objective two, so the accuracy of the model is also based on the XML file set. So more images of the fire, if we include in the XML data set, then we have the more positive and negative shades, and then we can have the more accuracy. So as I've said, we are using the Cascade classifier. It is a machine learning based approach where the Cascade function is trained from a lot of positive and negative images. And the third objective is that the system should send an email about the hazard to the fire department or to a particular email. And the last objective is that the system should send an alarm when the fire is detected. And coming to the approach, the language used is Python, and we are using modules such as OpenCV to enable the computer vision, and we are providing the XML dataset, and we are using the HSV color model with Cascade classifier. And right now we are giving the permission for the program to access the camera and monitor for the fire. And when the system detects the fire, it should sound the alarm using the play sound module, and email will be sent to the fire department using the SMTP. And then all the objectives will be fulfilled by now. And next slides will be explained by Anusha.
Hello everyone, my name is Anusha Chittipolu. Here are the deliverables. First, in the folder, we have the XML file dataset where the image vector values are stored, which form the basis for our model to detect fire. Next, we have an .mp3 audio file which we need the system to play once a fire is detected. Next, we have the Python file where all the code is written for fire detection. And next slide is evaluation methodology. Before you run the code, you need to make some changes in the code. First, you need to install the modules using the pip command. The modules are OpenCV, OpenCV Python, threading, PlaySound, and Tkinter. Secondly, place your email in the code so that when a fire is detected, the warning alarm would be sent to that email. Finally, run the code, and when the web camera turns on, light a match or the lighter in front of the camera and the fire will be detected. Here, the accuracy of the model is determined by using the formula TP plus TF by TP plus TN plus FP plus FN, and the accuracy model turned out to be close to 80% after 20 runs. And the next one is the XML data set file, which is the basis of our model, looks like this, which contains the trained positive and negative images of the fire. Using the Tkinter module, this is how we look like. The GUI looks for this project.
So now I'm gonna demonstrate the project. So this is the code for the project. So here we have the module CV2 tick enter everything, play sound SMTP, and then we are creating a window using the tick enter module. In the first function, that's the main function, we are using the cascade classifier to include the XML model, and then we are starting the video camera by using the video capture function. And then the next two functions are the play sound and the send mail function to sound the alarm and then to send the mail. So here, as you can see, I'm giving the sender and the recipient address as my Gmail only. So I'm gonna receive a mail to myself. And then coming to the main code. So once the camera is started reading the frame, and then I'm converting the color from BGR to HSV because the HSV model is the best color saturation model out there when compared to the BGR model. And then to highlight the part of the fire with with a square, we are writing this code, and I'm giving it a width of 6, so and the color blue. And then I'm printing the fire alarm initiated message on the console. And then I'm using the IAMShow function to display the output. And the last lines of code is for the processing the graphical user interface. So we are placing a button called begin and a message fire detection system based on HSV color and cascade classifier. So I'm gonna run this code right now. Yeah, this is how the GUI looks like. So as you can see, I'm clicking on begin. Uh, the video camera is now turned on, and then now I'm lighting the torch. As you can see, the fire alarm has been initiated. So as you can saw, the fire was initiated, and then the and then we need to check the mail. Let me just refresh this. And yeah, warning fire has been detected. Yes, so we also got the mail right now. So I'm coming back to the conclusion in our project. Yeah, this project is mainly yeah, just a second. Yeah, the project is mainly based on the OpenCV, and its applications include face detection, object detection, motion control, everything. So fire detection is also one of its applications. And this particular model is based on HSV color and cascade classification. So fire detection systems are currently installed almost everywhere in the corners of the city to prevent unnecessary waste of property, life, etc. So that is the reason why we chose this project. So this includes AI methodologies such as cascade classifications in HSV color models, and the XML file that we provided is already trained model file. So that's why it already has the positive and negative images. So and the overall accuracy of this model is close to 80% because the model has been detecting fire for out of 16 out of 20 times. Only the problem is that when the fire is far away from the camera, it has difficulty in identifying it. Otherwise, it identifies the fire and then sounds the alarm. Yeah, this is our term project. Thank you.